big seal over there. We've got a big seal on the beach. Might have to go over and see if he wants to play soccer. No, no, shoot. Just outdoors on Carnac Island, some seals. Got to play one in the water. Wow, he swam around me. By the time I got my fins back on, he'd buggered off. But got a big one up here. I want to say sunning himself, but it's pretty overcast today. Yeah, we'll go and say hello to him. Won't get too close. Hey, big guy. How you going? I don't think he wants to be much closer. Huh? You okay? How are you, buddy? You're a big fat oompa loompa, aren't you? Oh. I think he got on the turf last night. He's a bit worn out. I'll leave you alone, buddy. You have a good day. Well, there was 4. There's 3 on the beach now. Another one here, Sunny's belly, or her belly. Oh no, lying on their belly. I think I was definitely asleep. And we've got one more up here at the point. And here's number 4. Hey mate. I think I scared this one. You were fast asleep, weren't you, buddy? He's now following us. I'm getting back into the boat so they can have a little bit of a gander. Go on, buddy. I'm going in this way. Alright, I'll come back to you. How you going? Oh. How are you? Oh. You're not meant to come too close, mate. I know you're friendly. I'll go away. To you too.